creative visualization and guided meditation to relieve stress. Creative visualization enables you to use your imagination to create clear images of your favorite place to unwind from your stress or to achieve future goals. It involves using all 5 senses of sight, smell, touch, taste, and hearing to calm your body and release tension in stressful situations. Activity: creative visualization experience for stress relief. Find a private, calm space and make yourself comfortable. Take a few slow, deep breaths to center your attention and calm yourself. Close your eyes. Imagine yourself in a beautiful location where everything is as you would ideally like to have it. Some people visualize a beach, a mountain, a forest, or being in a favorite room, sitting on a favorite chair. Imagine yourself becoming calm and relaxed. Alternatively, imagine yourself smiling, feeling happy, and having a good time. Focus on the appearance of your scene, the texture, consistency, taste and smell to make it more vivid. For instance, if you are imagining the beach, spend time imagining the warmth of the sun on your skin, the smell of the ocean, seaweed and salt spray, and the sounds of waves, wind and seagulls. The more you can invoke your senses, the more vivid the image will become. Remain within your scene, touring its various sensory aspects for 5 to 10 minutes or until you feel relaxed. While relaxed, assure yourself that you can return to this place whenever you want or you want to relax. Open your eyes when you are ready to rejoin your world.